I'm going to be talking a little bit about shoulders, shoulder pain, what causes it, and what we can do about it. We have been going through the whole body in my Healing Power of Yoga class, which is on Tuesdays at 5:30. And this month, we're all about our shoulders. So I know that lots of us hold our tension in this area, neck, shoulders, upper back. I know I definitely do. So I'm going to be showing a couple yoga poses today to help us to relieve our tension in our neck, shoulders, and upper back. So as with any part of the body, it's important to keep the muscles, the joints flexible and strong. And shoulders tend to get weak, they tend to get loose, and they also tend to get tight, mainly because of the way we hold our bodies, our postures. A lot of us are rounding down a lot over the computer. We don't sit up nice and straight and tall. So many of us have this issue with our posture and our lifestyle. So it's really important to do something for your shoulders fairly often, every day if you can. And so my goal with these short yoga sequences and lives is to help you to incorporate yoga into your day. So it'd be great if you guys could join me. Let me know if this is a good time, or if you have any other suggestions or times that you think would be better, please let me know. All right, so I'm gonna start by just sitting up nice and tall. So again, we want to start with thinking about our posture. We want to, let me just turn around. We want to be sitting up so that our ears are right over our shoulders. So we don't want to be doing this. We don't want to be rounding. We don't want to have our necks forward of our shoulders. That is one of the problems that a lot of people have, is rounding of their upper spine, especially as we get older. So we want to just start by sitting up nice and tall, gently engaging our cores, which we want to be doing most of the time. Relaxing the shoulders down and away from the ears. So just, notice if you do this a lot, you want to have the shoulders down away from the ears. And we're just going to start here. And we can just start with a few deep breaths. So we're just going to inhale through the nose and exhale. Just use your exhales to relax the shoulders. And let's do one more. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. All right, so we're just going to start with some really simple shoulder rolls. So we're going to inhale the shoulders up towards the ears. Exhale them back and down. So inhaling up, exhaling the shoulders back and down. So just keep going, moving with your breath. Inhaling up, exhaling back and down. So imagine the shoulder blades are coming together as you take them back and down. So big circles. So just moving the shoulders like this will help to relieve tightness, tension in the shoulders. Let's do two more. Up and back. Good. Up and back. Beautiful. Okay. So from here, we're going to take the arms out to the sides. Just stretch the arms out and let's bring them to cactus. So cactus arms, the elbows are right in line with the shoulders. Still sitting up tall, still engaging the core. We're going to inhale, take the elbows back. So we're stretching the front of the body. We're stretching the shoulders. So inhale, take the arms back, elbows back. Exhale, bring the elbows and the forearms together right in front of the face. So inhale and open, filling the lungs completely. Exhale, bringing the forearms together as much as you can. If you can't get them all the way together, just do your best. Inhale, open. Exhale together. Let's just keep moving with the breath. Just gently. Again, as you know, nothing should hurt. If it doesn't feel good, just don't do it. Just stretching the upper back, the shoulders. Let's do two more. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale, stretch the shoulders. Exhale. Good. And let's just relax the arms down. All right, so a lot of times the tension is coming from our neck and this area here. So we're gonna do 1 or 2 movement stretches for our head and our neck. So we're just gonna start by circling the head. So imagine you have a crayon on the end of the nose. We're just making little circles with the nose. Again, if it doesn't feel good, don't do it. If you get dizzy, don't do it. So 1 more in this direction, and let's do 1 more in the other direction. So circling the face, the head, just nice and slow. We want to be really careful with our necks. All right, coming up back to center. All right, so from here, I'm going to do one of my favorite neck and shoulder stretches. So we're going to sit up nice and tall, inhale, and then just take the ear down to the shoulder on one side. So just drop the ear. Again, we're not forcing anything. We're just using the weight of our head to open up the side of our shoulders. Again, if this feels okay and you want to just bring the hand to rest gently on the side of the head, you can do that, but not pulling, just gently resting it there. And then the other hand, you can hold on to the chair or just bring it down by your side to really get a nice stretch in that opposite shoulder, that opposite neck, opposite arm, I meant. Not opposite neck, we only have 1 neck. All right, and then maybe you do little micro movements up and down, just slow and easy. Maybe bringing the chin down to the chest, taking the chin up, and then you can feel in your own body where you need to pause. So maybe you need to keep the head down a little bit, or you need to take the chin up and hold it there a little bit. So just feel where feels good in your own body. And then when you're done, let's bring the hand down and take the chin into the chest. So just take the chin down, let it be heavy there for breath. And then bring the head back to center. Awesome. So we're going to do that on the other side. So sitting up nice and tall. Maybe you notice already a difference between both sides. Just exhale. Take the ear down to the other shoulder. And you can just stay here if this is enough for you. You don't have to do anything more. But if you want, you can take the hand and just rest it gently on top of the head. Other hand holding on to the chair, or just down by your side. So you're stretching the side of the neck, the top of the shoulder. I know I feel it a lot when I do this. And you want to hold it for 3 breaths or 5 breaths or 10 breaths, how much ever you need. But at least I would say 3 to 5 breaths. And again, option to bring the chin down towards the chest. Or you can take it up towards the ceiling. Or you can do all of the above. Going back and forth a little bit, but moving slow and easy. Any discomfort, just don't do it. Let's stay for another 2 breaths. 1 more. And release the hand. Take the chin down towards the chest. Just stay there for a breath. And then take your time coming up. All right, I'm going to do 2 more. So we're going to take the arms out to the side, all the way up. So inhaling. And then if you can hold on to your elbows or your forearms or your wrists, you're going to hold on to whatever you can reach. So maybe it's your wrists, maybe it's your forearms, maybe it's the elbows. So for me, I have super tight shoulders, so I feel this a lot again. And you're just going to gently pull the elbows back towards the ears. Keep sitting up tall. If you find that you're changing your posture in any way, just back off. We're going to stay here for 3 breaths. So this is awesome for the shoulders. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. And then bring the hands down in front of you and notice which hand you have in front. So I have my right hand in front. I'm going to change it and bring my left arm in front, right? We're changing sides. And again, take the arms overhead, Maybe you can't hold the elbows, maybe you're holding the forearms, maybe it's the wrists. Wherever you are, you want to just think about taking the elbows back towards the ears until you feel a nice gentle stretch in the shoulders. So maybe I can go a little bit down closer to my elbows and just staying here for a few breaths, breathing into the shoulders, keeping the head nice and neutral, keeping the spine neutral. So if you find you're struggling, back off. Let's do 2 more. 1 more. Beautiful. And then bring the hands down again in front of you. Release them. And then just shake out the shoulders. Shake it out. Shake out everything. Good. All right. So we're going to do 1 more for the whole upper body. We're going to start by sitting up nice and tall, holding on to the side of the chair. Just stabilize us. Inhale the arms up. And then bring 1 hand down to the chair or on the floor if you're on the floor. And then inhale, lengthen. Exhale, side bend. So reaching up and over, stretching the whole side body. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale over to the other side. So I'm holding onto the chair, side bend. And then just moving at your own pace with your breath. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Maybe you find yourself going a little further each time, maybe not. Either way, it's fine. And then coming back to center. Let's bring the hands together, so palms together on your next exhale. Just exhale, bring the hands down, the center line, thumbs in front of the heart. We'll take a deep breath. And exhale. There you go. Now you've done your yoga for today. Yay. So let me just see if I have any questions from anybody. No? Oh. Hey, Stephanie. Hi. How are you? Good to see you. Let me know if you have any questions or if you want me to do anything specific today. Great to see you. So that's what I wanted to share. I also wanted to let you know that I have a special going on right now for my membership, my yoga and wellness membership, Bloom. I'm offering 3 months of free wellness coaching to anyone who wants to join Bloom, but you have to join by tomorrow night. So that is 3 months of free wellness coaching with me, which basically means 1 call a month to maybe talk about your wellness challenges, set a wellness goal or wellness goals. We'll work together and develop a plan, and I'll be there to support you in your wellness journey or your wellness plan for 3 months. So let me know if you're interested. You can just leave a comment below, or I'm gonna put the link to Bloom. You can just check out Bloom and see all the really great stuff that Bloom includes. And if you don't know, I offer 3 live classes a week in Bloom. That's all included. I also have a library of lots of different yoga videos, different lengths, different themes, yoga for different parts of the body. I have chair yoga, I have restorative yoga. I have all my replays of my classes are in Bloom. That if you miss a class, you can always do the replay. We have pop-up events. We have a really cool art therapy or art making workshop rather coming up at the end of the month. We get together as a group fairly often and have a lot of fun and support each other in our wellness journey. I also have a library of recipes, healthy recipes. If you guys, we try and have a holistic approach to our wellness. So, well, I'll post the link and you guys can check it out for yourself. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment below and I'm happy to talk to you some more about it. But just to let you know, the special ends tomorrow. It is 3 months of wellness coaching included. So I did send everybody an email if you're on my mailing list. If you're not, again, let me know in the comments below. So thank you for joining me or watching the replay.